Hi everyone, I'm Isin. Today I'm going to introduce our application that we call is Homies with my friends. Recently, economic fluctuations and conditions are quite difficult and people don't trust each other. Also couldn't find reliable and real roommates. The lack of solving these problems gave us an idea for this project. There are of course companies that see the gap in solving these problems and find the solutions. However, our unique features such as find particularly reliable person and in the shortest time, we provide this reliability with using security questions such as identity documents, real photos before the registrations. Also, as the user base grows, in-app competition will increase as the prices will decrease at the same time. To give more details, people who will use these applications have a chance to see their biographies, hobbies and their properties, etc. so that they can find almost right person to be roommates. Next page. Our vision is that our customers are reliable homeowners who want to reopen their homes and people who want to meet the need for reliable housing. There are 5 key success questions that define which region market are you planning to enter, describe the purpose of entering the market, know the size of your potential market, identify your targeted customers and competitors, also know about your market entry options. Thank you.
Hello, I am Oğuz. First, I will talk about market entry strategy. Also, first, we are considering that to make our application available only in Turkey for the first time. Second, lack of any application that fully meets the possibilities that our application gives. Fourth, our users will be hosts, people looking for roommates. Our competitors are mostly, Airbnb and Sahibinden. Finally, when entering the market, we plan to enter by allocating a large part of our revenues to advertising revenues. Also, market size, according to research, also there is no definite results about the numbers. However, we can say that there are lots of strong predictions. Also, there are at least 200,000 rental homes. In addition, we can accept the average rent as 5,000 Turkish lira. Also, we can say that there is a market share of 1 billion Turkish liras. As I told you before, our potential competitors are Airbnb, we are both hotels, Booking, also Expedia. As you mentioned, our most strange sites are being cheap and reliable. I would like to talk about our business model canvas. The application of Homies. First, K partners, advertising companies that provide support to us for the platforms where we can advertise. Second, K activities, mobile app design, product software, Google Map agreement cooperation, domestic and international, official permits and certificates setup, value propositions, cheap and reliable roommate finder service, meeting new people, and income generation. Moreover, key resources, user-generated content and platform architecture, customer relationships, issue solution with answering machine learning support inside of the application. Next, channels. We can create advertisements on currently popular platforms, also with influencers. Customer segments, guests, travel type, demographic, geographic and behavioral, hosts, accommodation type, demographic, geographic and rental preferences. I'm coming to finals. Cost structure, policies to reach more people. Some money should be paid for publishing on App Store. Also, we won't pay for money creating this application because we will make it ourselves. Also, this thing will down our cost because we will do it ourselves. Finally, revenue streams, advertisements inside of the application, number of downloads, premium members, commission from every agreement.
Hello, my name is Berkay. I'm going to talk about Homies feasibility, which is our application that we told. The net profit margin is 5 Turkish lira, and I would like to explain how we calculated this 5 Turkish lira. Firstly, we have just take a look for the price, what they pay for us on Play Store. 60 downloads per user, we will gain 6 Turkish lira. It means for each user we will gain 1 Turkish lira. And App Store pays 4 Turkish lira for each user. And we planned like 40 users we will have to download every day. This will gain us 160 Turkish lira. And additionally, 100 user commercial revenue will make us 80 Turkish lira gain every day. And we assume that 10% of persons will get premium. And we will gain from this 200 Turkish lira. And it means one user brings us to average 5 Turkish lira. Because we assume that 100 users join us daily, and this makes 500 Turkish lira per day. And as you can see, we thought that if we look optimistic, we will gain 5,000 users monthly, and it's likely to be 3,000 users monthly. And if it's going to be pessimistic, we will gain 1,000 users every month. Next page. And if we are going to talk about investment, what is initial cost and monthly cost? First of this is asset generation. We will need initially 20,000 Turkish lira for asset generation, and monthly cost will be 5,000 Turkish lira for this. And secondly, for platform development, we will need initially 40,000 Turkish lira and monthly 50,000 Turkish lira. Last one, and foundation, we will need initially 10,000 Turkish lira and monthly 4,000 Turkish lira. If we look total of this, 70,000 Turkish lira we will need for initially, and monthly we will need 59,000 Turkish lira. Next page. If you look at this graph, we can see that till 14 months we will not make net profit from this application. But end of 1 year, first year we can say, we will make profit and we will have the highest gain from this application end of second year. Next page. And the amount that we need for this application to realize our business idea is 70,000 Turkish lira for team members.